Hey guys, in this video I'm doing a full tutorial on Dusono AI. This is a video dubbing tool, and it's only fair that I do a full tutorial because it is a paid tool. We'll get into pricing later, but I actually got the pro yearly plan and now we're going to use it. The first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and log into your dashboard, and once you're logged in, you just come here, click on a dashboard, and then here you can go ahead and start a new project. So you just come to the top right, click on new project, and now you're able to add media. So you can just drag and drop or click here to upload. You can even upload from YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel, you can just go ahead and copy any link right here, and you just go ahead and paste it in here, and it will actually pick it up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get this video that I had recorded, and we're going to drag and drop this here. So that is our media, and as you can see, it is now uploading. All right, there we go. It has uploaded. That took about 10 seconds. You can just go ahead and play the video and see what it looks like. It's actually original video. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you. So as you can see, that is my voice. And here you'll see the target language, the model, voice as well, things like that. Now, it also removes music for you. That is another good feature. So if I come here, click on languages, these are the languages they currently have available. So right now we are going to change this video and we're going to dub it into German. So I'm selecting German, and then we'll come here, click on voiceover. Make sure you use the recommended model. This is their best model right now. It's called Fish. You can of course play around with these. You can also go for the 11 Labs one if you want. And your voice, we're just going to clone the original voice in the video. If you want, you can create your own voices here. As you can see, voice library, you just come here and you create your voice. So you can use different models. They have Fish and they have 11 Labs. The way you go ahead and create a voice, you just go ahead and click here to create your first voice clone. You just name it whatever you want, and then you go ahead and upload a audio sample. You can easily record an audio sample using a website like this, online voice recorder. Just come here, you click on this, and then you start recording. And this is how to allow an app through firewall in Windows 11. So make sure you go ahead and have as much audio as possible. The more audio you feed it, the better the model will be. Then you just go ahead and stop this, click here on save, and it will actually go ahead and download. Then you just come back here and you go ahead and upload that audio that you had downloaded. You just go ahead and drag and drop that right there, as you can see. Just drag and drop. Then you can just name this whatever you want. I'll just go ahead and name this one My Voice. Then I want you to click on Create Voice. Now once that is done, you're actually able to use this once it has been done processing. So I'll just clone the original voice here. We'll come to the engine. I recommend you use Flux right here. And this basically maintains consistent speaker pace throughout the audio. So what you do now is you just come here, click on Start Dubbing. You'll see the estimated credits that will be used. Now, depending on your plan, you are allocated credits per month. I have this one Pro, gives me 8,000 credits per month. I got the yearly plan, saves you 20%. So you can go ahead and get that. Now let's start dubbing so you can actually see the quality. So you just need to provide a project name before you actually start the job. So what you need to do now is come here and just type in the name. So I'll just type in tutorial and just click on Start Dubbing. Now here, click on Start. It will begin processing. As you can see, job started successfully. Now it's actually translating the video, and it will go ahead and create our dub for us. So let's come back once this is done. All right, so here we have it, moment of truth. I decided to also do this in Spanish, and let's see what it's like. So I'm going to play the video, compare it with my voice. Hopefully it sounds like me.
Hola a todos, en este video les voy a mostrar cómo permitir una aplicación a través del firewall en Windows 11. Lo primero que quiero que hagan es comentar en la parte inferior izquierda.
That actually kind of sounds like me. It does. And I like how realistic it sounds. It doesn't sound like a TTS bot or anything. It's a very high quality model. Now you can go ahead and use other models here. As you can see, you can use 11 Labs. You can clone your voice and use that. Now once you have your project done, you can just download it. Just come here, click on download. And as you can see, you have your MP4 file. You can bring it up here.
Hola a todos.
and you can upload it wherever you want. The good thing about this, you don't have to wait for an agency to go ahead and dub it for you. You get it right there, multiple languages in minutes. You can access more people. But that is the full tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll leave a link in the description to Dusono AI.